Summers are here, so you definitely want some makeup that doesn't feel heavy on your skin. So I'm moisturizing my face to start with. I have mixed orange color corrector and my shade of concealer. When you want something quick for makeup, this makeup is really ideal. I'm not going to layer it a lot as I want to keep it natural. Always shake your foundation before you use it. Summer already makes your skin look glowy, so I'm not going to use any stroke cream. I'm using a foundation that is medium coverage and buildable. All the products I'm going to mention in the description box below. I'm applying some cream blush. You can skip this step if you're not a fan of blush, but blush will make your face look better. I'm going to set everything with some loose powder. Dust off the excess. I'm going to keep my eyebrows real natural, just filling in little bit. If you do all your makeup and you feel that something is missing, it's definitely your eyebrows. I wanted some color on my eyelids as well, so I'm using a neutral brown color. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. You can totally skip this step. But tightlining your upper waterline will make your lashes look fuller. Next I'm adding some mascara. For the lips I'm using a pink lip liner. You can use the lipstick of your choice. I'm adding more pink with some liquid lipstick. I added fixing spray off camera. So that's it for my minimal makeup. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.